Okay, so I explained to you how to import libraries and install libraries. So today I'm going to explain you how to create your own libraries. So if I want to create a library and I create a function add, first try def keyword to make a function add. So I am now creating a library. So def add. It will not give error because this file is in my computer, so it will not give error that you doesn't have installed this library and this isn't available. So if I write def add and write a comma b and colon and I print, it would just print the sum of a and b. So it would print the sum of a and b is a plus b, and I would just write it this, and let me make it 4 times. Okay, so let's subtract. We'll print the difference of a and b is a minus b. The product b is a multiplied by a of the division, or can I write anything else for division of a and b is divided by b. Okay, I could also write quotient of a and b is a divided by b. So this is my simple, I'm making a library. Now how to use this? So how do I use it? This should be multiplication and this should be division. So now how to use this library? So if I go in my code, so if I write import, I go to rename my m.py to math.py. So what's getting an error? What is the error? Okay, so import math. So I can't create with library with this because it would import their math. So I have to rename it to. I can also keep it m. It's fine. We just keep it m.py. And if I now import m, so you are seeing it's giving no error, and I could use m dot. So these are my functions. Now you could watch. I've created my own library. So m.add, and I could give my variable plus 5. Oh, I extend level 7. So it would print 14. So you're watching, it's printing this. So this is how to create your own libraries and use them. I could use any. So you were watching that when I write m dot, so there are also some another functions. So m dot package and like this. So these are automatically created by Python, which is telling it that it's a library, and this is how I can import this m file, and that's how I'm using it. So these are the created by Python. I could just use these four which you are showing it. So this is how to A. So you are watching it's ANEPNE. So this is how to use my libraries and create them. So until next, keep practicing and keep learning. Bye.